Okay, here she comes. Quicker than I thought. Crossing another Doe's Bridge. Wow, does that look cool, eh? Wow. I'm on the Celotex Herman Road, which goes down mountain to Nestoria, comes out right by Nestoria. I've thought about taking video and shots here, but I always said, nah, I don't think so. But today, because the road to Summit was closed off, I thought today's the day. I'm taking kind of into the sun. It's on my right here, our right. But I'm pretty happy. We'll see what happens when I upload it at home. Quite long, eh? Yep, I wish I could follow them, but I can't. They'll be heading up to Summit and climbing the hill. See if I could show you a little bit of... There's so much glare in this camera. Don't know if I can get you to... The creek here where it stretches out down the road. I think I'm mission impossible here. No, I guess we'll just go back to where we were. Anyhow, maybe this direction I can show you is Herman. Right down there is Herman. Herman is just one road over, very short distance. Anyhow, enough of this nonsense, eh? Okay, today was kind of a fun day, a different day. Love hearing those engines, eh? Anyhow, this is Nancy in Herman. In the peace and quiet of Herman. Today is Tuesday, and I'll see you again Thursday. Hopefully we'll be more remote. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everyone.